Hi, my name is Ava Sharrow-Ducsay, and this is my screencast assignment for Intro to Special Ed. Like I said, my name is Ava Sharrow-Ducsay, and I'm an elementary education and special education major here at Alma College. The Criterion Reference Tests are a set of assignments developed to measure students' academic performance against a fixed set of learning standards. A formative assessment are smaller tests over specific material. A good example of this would be quizzes or unit tests. On the other hand, a summative assessment is a test over everything learned over a long period of time. A good example of this would be a final exam. Triangulation. Triangulation is a process by which teachers collect information about a student's learning. They do this in 3 different ways: through conversations, observations, and products. An assignment. Comprehension. Form the Bergans reading test. You hand the student them to read the louder in your head. You listen. Questions and listen to their answers. Even if a child fails a certain grade, testing all. Child results. Comprehension test to a 5th grade student until we hit lower grade level. After failing more grades, but the results were positive, learned his reading limit and helping him answers in the hopes that feel more confident in his how to look back text for the answer. The results are explained here. Prove that the 5th grader level. After this was to him how to read more thoroughly and answers in the read. If this were my down with him in while he came up for it, that we roles reversed and make him read and solve them together. For this particular to judge their do not do will be less struggles with to grade reading level. Thank you for listening to my project.